Hi guys, this is Paras from Selfie Enterprises. In this video, I will take you through the employee role in Selfie application. If you are entitled for self-attendance, then your owner will provide you self-attendance facility. While adding employees in Selfie application, employer will inform you through WhatsApp with app link and your registered mobile number. Once you received WhatsApp, then follow these steps to log in Selfie application. Open WhatsApp message, click on link as showing. This will take you at Play Store to download and install the app. After installation, click on Open button. This will redirect you to the screen as showing on video. Click on Next button after reading features. Click on Start to Start button. This app required permissions like location, camera and contacts as showing on screen. Click on arrow button as showing in bottom of screen. Allow access to location, camera, contacts. Enter mobile number that was mentioned in WhatsApp message. Double 9 7 1 6 0 0 1 8. Click on share OTP. Now you will receive an OTP at your mobile number. Eight 8094. This will verify automatically. At the time of registration, if you get company name screen as showing, that means your number is different what is used in your company. Kindly check with employer for the same. Here you can see one card that is self attendance. Whenever you want to mark attendance, click on self attendance. Here you can see this is picking your current location and selfie. Current location and selfie. If you want to mark in time, click on in button as showing in blue color. This will ask a confirmation that are you sure you want to mark attendance as in time. If yes, then click OK, else click cancel. In a single day, you cannot mark multiple in and out, so be careful while marking attendance. If you are an office staff, then employer restrict employees to mark attendance from premises or factory area only. If you are in factory, then only you can mark attendance from Selfie application, else this will show a message that you are outside the offense area. After punched in time, you can see that start button for apply brake activated automatically. If you want to go on break, then click on start. If you want to end break, then click on end. Whenever your duty goes off, then click on out button to punch out. Again, this will ask a confirmation that are you sure you want to mark attendance as out time. If yes, then click OK, else click on cancel. So by doing this, you have marked attendance for one day. Also, you can download your reports like attendance, overtime, advance, date-wise details, salary hours from attendance summary. For any query, please feel free to reach us on 87089 40688 or 9810615613. Thank you.